Hello dears, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video we are going to talk about the AI product terms, and also we are going to create some AI images with Canva. So if you have this question that in your mind that you are using this Canva AI image generator, but if you think that sometimes maybe the Canva is going to claim on the image that you are going to create with this AI tool. So here why we are going to talk about this. So here, as you can see, the first is going to be the be a good human. So using these AI product is you not use it in different things, like you should not mislead anyone, you should not provide medical advice, and you need to know all about this. You have to go to this website and read all of them. So in this video I'm going to really read you the important things you need to know about this AI product terms. So here for the legal notice, as you can see, you are responsible for any text you type in or images or other content you upload to AI products input, as well as the resulting materials you generate, such as images or text output. You are responsible for ensuring that your input and output compiles with these terms and our acceptable user use policy. So as you can see here, also this Canva, on the legal notice, it said that as between you and Canva, to the content permitted by law and subject to the terms of agreement that governs your use of Canva, you own your input and output, and instruct and give Canva the right to host and use your input and output on your platform. Canva will not make any copyright ownership claim over your input or output. So as you can see clearly, Canva is saying that they are not going to claim on you or make any copyright on your input, your output. So maybe later on, who knows, it's going to change, but until this date, so Canva is not going to claim. And also here, as you can see, when using output in your Canva design, we ask that you let viewers of your designs know that the content is AI generated. So if you have this question, so maybe it's going to clear now you know that there's no claim from Canva on the AI images. But if you have a doubt, you have to go to this canva.com/policy/AI products. You have to check their websites regularly, because maybe it's going to change, but you have to go inside this website before you are going to use their AI images commercially, or if you're planning to use this for different purpose. So make sure you check this website so you can see the updates. Until this date that I'm recording this video, so there is no claim ownership copyright on your images that you're going to create. So as you can see here, we have this sharing and publication policy that you need to know about, like you have to know when you're going to share it on social media or live streaming or demonstration. So here, as you can see, in the case that the content is AI generated in a way no user could reasonably miss or misunderstand. So as you can see here, also it says do not share content that violates these terms or that may offend authors, including when you're taking audience requests for prompts. So here, as you can see, also is going to give us this content co-authorized with AI products, this disclaimer, and also this technology partner. So here we are going to close this. As you can see, when we are going to open Canva, so when you're inside the new page that you're going to create, so as you can see in your left, you have to scroll down to find this magic media. So whenever you are going to click on magic video, as you can see, video is also going to show you, which is going to be 0 credit for now. So maybe later on is going to show you, but it's powered by Runway. So here, as you can see, for the images you're going to get 26 credits. So means if you want to create more images, you need to upgrade. So if I going to click on the upgrade, so it's going to show me this upgrade. As you can see, for the pro, now we are on the, if I click, you can see your trial. But here, as you can see, for yearly is going to be $190. It's going to be like $10 amount, and for the monthly is going to be 14. So if you go with this tool for free, so only on the daily basis you're going to get 26 credits. So when the credit is going to end, so you have to wait to renew. So here I'm going to type, or let's try to make an image with this Canva tool. So we are going to type like one boy stand outside. So as you can see, I can click on the try example to see some of the example. So here I can select the styles. So if I am going to with this filmic, so I can go with photo as well. So here I can check this landscape, I can select or check this portrait as well. So I'm go with this landscape. Let's try this. So we are going to click generate image. So as you can see, it's going to create us this image. So this is also really cool feature with Canva, because this AI tool is really make Canva really professional. But if you try to go with the pro version, as you can see now, is going to minus from the credit that I have here. As you can see now, I have 25 credits. So if I want to create more, so it's going to create me more. So as you can see here, if I'm going to click see all, so it's going to show me like we have many more. Like you can try with this stand glass, you can go with this color pencil. As you can see, we have many more styles available that you can select here. So if you want to create, as you can see now, it create me this image. So simply I can just drag it here. So now I can click on the position. So simply I can set this position 90/20 by 180 pixel. Let me put it on the middle. So now if I want to download, so simply I can click on share and I can click on download, and here we are going to select the format, something like JPG. So here I'm going to click download. So this is how we use AI image generator to create images with AI. And also now we know about the AI product terms and services as well. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like and share our video. And please let me know if you have any question in the comment box of this video. So see you guys until next video.